In today's world of constant information flow and tight deadlines, mastering time and task management has become a crucial skill. One of the most renowned and time-tested methodologies for this is GTD, getting things done. Created by David Allen in the early 2000s, GTD provides a structured approach that not only helps manage daily tasks, but also frees the mind for creative and strategic thinking. GTD is a task management method that focuses on relieving the brain of the need to remember tasks, ideas, and commitments. The core idea is that the human brain is not designed to store and process a large volume of information efficiently. Unfinished tasks create mental strain, which David Allen refers to as open loops. The essence of GTD is to free your mind by capturing tasks and commitments in a trusted system. This system allows you to focus on completing tasks sequentially and effectively without feeling overwhelmed. GTD is built on 5 foundational steps: capture, clarify, organize, reflect, and engage. The first step, capture, involves collecting all tasks, ideas, and commitments into a single reliable system. Clarify requires you to process each captured item to determine the next action or outcome. Organize focuses on categorizing tasks by context, priority, or due date, ensuring they are easy to access and manage. Reflect emphasizes the importance of regularly reviewing your system to stay on track and adjust priorities as needed. Engage is about taking action, focusing on tasks that align with your current context and available resources. By following these steps, GTD transforms how you approach work and life, reducing stress and increasing productivity. A key benefit of GTD is the mental clarity it provides, enabling creative and strategic thinking. GTD is adaptable to various tools, from pen and paper to advanced digital applications. GTD is active. Popular GTD tools include Todoist, Evernote, Trello, and Notion, each offering unique features for productivity. Consistency and regular reviews are essential for maintaining the effectiveness of the GTD system. Over time, GTD becomes not just a method, but a mindset that enhances all areas of life. With practice, the journey to mastering GTD may require effort, but its rewards are well worth it. Start with small steps, such as capturing and organizing tasks, and build your system gradually. Find tools that suit your preferences and integrate them into your daily routine. Dedicate time for weekly reviews to maintain clarity and direction. Remember, the ultimate goal of GTD is to help you focus on what truly matters. Embrace GTD as a tool to navigate life's complexities with confidence and ease. Start your GTD journey today and unlock your potential for a more organized and fulfilling life.